Hey guys, today I'm bringing you some heat, diving deep into the secrets of creating offers so magnetic, people would think that they're nuts if they don't jump in. You ready to unlock this game? Let's get right into it. All right, guys, first off, never let your product just be another face in the crowd. Your offering should be the LeBron James of its niche, not just another play on the court. Ever heard of the term commodity? It's like selling apples. One apple is pretty much like another. If your apple came with an epic flavor burst or a unique texture, that's a game changer. Look at your product or service. Write down three things that can make it stand out from the rest. It might be a unique feature, or maybe it's a special guarantee. Time to shine brighter with it. Always know your market. You've got to find the right crowd to cheer for your game. Think about it. If you're selling a luxury watch, you're not going to take it to a kid's playground, right? Find the guys who feel the pain and have the dough to spend on what you're selling. Find the people who are searching for what you've got. Spend some time researching. Who needs your product the most? Who can afford it? Dive deep, and you'll find a gold mine in there, man. Maybe it's time to narrow down your focus and zero in on a niche. Remember, if you speak to everyone, you're speaking to no one. So target when you take your shot. And listen, this is big. Never, and I mean never, compete on price alone. It's a race to the bottom. Instead, packing the value. Think about those designer brands. People aren't just buying a logo, they're buying the story, the prestige, the value. So it's time for some reflection. List down all the value points your product offers. Is it durability, uniqueness? Maybe it's the after sales service. Once you've got that, communicate it. Make sure your audience knows every bit of awesomeness they're getting and make an irresistible offer. I'm talking about setting the bait now. Your offer isn't just about the product, it's about the experience, the promise, the transformation. You're not selling a weight loss program, you're selling confidence, swagger, a new lease on life. Imagine your ideal customer. What does he truly desire? Now, craft the offer around that. Offer that screams, this is the ticket to your dream. Maybe throw in a bonus, a guarantee, or an exclusive community. Make it irresistible. Last, but never not least, our brains work in mysterious ways. Sometimes the solution is faster or bigger, it's smart. Let's take elevators, for example. You can make them faster, or you can put mirrors aside. People get busy looking at themselves, and boom, they forget the wait time. Genius. So think outside the box. What are some psychological triggers you can pull? Can you add an element of surprise, a sense of urgency, or maybe a dose of exclusivity to your offer? Dive deep into the mind and you'll hit that jack. So boom, there you go, man. I just gave you some gold. Remember, the world is waiting for what you've got. Stand out. Know your crowd. Get the value. Make them an offer they can't refuse. And always play it smart. You got this. Till next time, keep elevating your game. Crush it.